Ali here at MindWaveMeditation.com, and this is a really short video on those of you who are lonely. It came to my attention after searching on the old Google what people are searching for. I wanted to know. I didn't just want to show up here and make random videos. I want to know what people are looking for and see if I could be of assistance. And it came to my attention that some people are searching for what do you do if you're lonely, how to not be lonely. And it broke my heart. And I've always been lucky, blessed with having lots of friends, and even if I want to take a moment to just not be very social, I know that they're there, so I can kind of be a bit of a hermit. Like, that's kind of how I like it. But I know they're there, and I kind of took that for granted when I read that I have this amazing friend group and family and lots of people I can share my life with and time with and experience with. And if you're one of these people as well, like me, with lots of people in their lives, let's not take that for granted. There's people out there, and you might be one of those people that don't have people in your life. And I just wanted to tell you that there's millions of people in this world, and not all of those millions want to hang out with you. They don't want to hang out with me. But certainly 5, 10, 100 people, there's plenty of people that are going to love you for who you are. And the problem is, sometimes we go through life and we miss certain opportunities or paths that could have led us somewhere, or maybe we do meet someone and we just weren't ready for it and we blocked it off. I'm like, I'm not ready for love, or I'm not ready for a relationship, and we go inside. And then the sad thing is that time goes on, and before you know it, it's 10 years later and we've not spoke. My friend I'll put a link for him down below. If you want to speak to someone about being lonely, he's a guy, he's a wonderful guy. He told me that he spoke to a guy who not had a friend for 50 years, not spoken to anyone apart from just going to a shop and saying, can I have that please? That's not right. That's not on. That's heartbreaking. 50 years without a friend. Comment down below if that breaks your heart and you want to help, or if there's someone that you can help, or if you know any way to help people that need help, because I want to help and other people want to help. And the thing is, we don't know, we have people in our next door to us and we might not speak to them, but because of the way, especially in England, typically very kind of like just doing our thing, unless you're up north where we're a bit more kind of social, but there's people everywhere that want to find you. Quick camera change. This is a way better camera. There's plenty of people out there that are looking for you to have a conversation with, to help you become more social. And there's plenty of people to help if you want to help. Just literally look around. There's someone next door to you who might not have had a friend for 50 years. Could you go round maybe once a week, 2 weeks, once a month and say hello? It could change someone's life forever. And there's so many different things you can do. There's like all these different classes, and there's lots of like groups where you could alright, what's the list gonna be? Dance, play chess, I don't know, it's probably stamp collecting. Oh my god, that's a terrible list, but you know what I mean, there's all sorts of things. There's all sorts of things out there, but we get stuck in this rut of not being able to think outside and just go on the internet and look in your local area of what your interests are and see what comes up. You know, you might find there's a group where there's other people just like you who all get together and talk. And there's loads of groups. That's the great thing about humanity, is that we love a group. We love getting together and like talking about things. So whatever interest you have, whatever that thing is that you like that you think no one else likes, look on the internet in your local area and see what is available. And if you want to help, go and decide today that you want to go and help someone and see where you can be of assistance. And you know, this is something we need to start breaking down. Like, people should not be lonely, and people that want to help should start helping. And it just saddens me that there's people out there that don't have friends, and also it saddens me that there's people that want to help that aren't helping, because not everybody wants to help people, let's face it, and they're probably not watching these videos, but we go through life and like we kind of go just thinking about ourselves, and we haven't. Like, I was walking up the hill the other day with my wife, and there was this woman, and she had the most amount of shopping bags you've ever seen. It wasn't possible that she was taking, and she stopped, and she had to walk up and then walk back and bring the shopping up and then leave some, and she was doing it in sections. And we walked past her, and we assumed she was just like, she had it covered, and then we were both like, hang on, this can't be happening. So we went to help her, and she'd been walking for miles doing this, and it was just brutal. Like, relatively speaking, she's got a house in a nice place, and she was well, she could do it, but still she was like 70 something, and kind of one of those. And oh man, it's all around us. People need help, and it takes that took 15 minutes out of our day to take it. And we had a little chat with her, listen to what she was talking about, and you kind of go, oh yeah. And it makes your day better when you help people. And just see where you can make a difference just start with where you are. Look around you, the next door neighbor, or the flat above, or the woman at the end of the street that just kind of, or the old guy it's just do your bit. Do your bit and feel good about doing your bit. Being selfless, or we do these things because it makes us feel good, and obviously we do it because it's helpful, but there's nothing wrong with feeling good about doing some good. There's nothing wrong with helping people and feeling good about it. That's, this is how we should be, but we kind of are so focused on ourselves. Oh, I'm so important at my thing, and I've got to do my thing, and I'm so busy. Are you? Are you that busy that you can't help another human being with their shopping, or, being there just to let them know that there's someone there? Or if you're really, really lonely, where could you, maybe someone is looking for you. Don't you be so selfish. There's maybe a wife out there, or a husband, or a boyfriend or girlfriend that is looking for you right now, and you're not making yourself available for them. You're just thinking, you're worrying about people and life and stuff. Start smiling. This is where we start. The smile is your anchor. Start smiling, start feeling good about life, start feeling good about yourself, start feeling happy that you've got 4 walls and running water. If you've got 4 walls, running water, and you're seeing my face right now, you are doing way better than a massive proportion of the world. So let's get out of that mindset of woe is me, or who am I to help someone, or I'm too busy. Let's get out of that, and let's help someone or be helped. That's the mission for this video. So let's do it. And then comment below and let me know if you've done something really good. Let me know in the comments, because you might think, oh, I don't want to say that because it's making me look all... No, it'll help someone read it and go, oh yeah, I should do that. And then maybe someone else, and we get this conversation going. So anyway, lovely to see you. I hope you enjoy the channel, and if you do, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification, and I'll see you in the next one. But yeah, let us know how you're doing, and keep smiling, keep hopeful, and let's sort this out today, not tomorrow. Today, right now, as soon as we go, as soon as I end this video. Right now. MindWaveMeditation.com. See you in the next one. Be a good person. Do it now.